Hey everyone, what's up? Coming up on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap, I'm going to share with all of you out there the least favorite phrase in the entire world. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh hey, let me put you on speakerphone. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'll be your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are watching, do me a little favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to us, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. Alright, so that is the least favorite phrase, I think, in human language. Speakerphone never sounds good. Your voice can get muffled, it can get mixed in with the background. If you have more than one person on a call and you're together and you're both on speaker, somebody always drowns out the other person. It's just a problem that we deal with in our contemporary lives. Luckily, there are solutions for us, and Anker has brought a magnificent one in the form of a conference speakerphone. Let's unbox it, check it out, and show you how it works. Here we go. The AnkerWork SR500 conference speaker and microphone with deep learning. 8 microphones, 48 kilohertz. It connects 5 speakerphones in daisy chain with AI noise cancellation, premium pickup in conference rooms, and can work for up to 45 people. Exclusive Voice Radar 2.0 technology. Whether your meeting is an echoey conference room or a busy open area, AnkerWork's exclusive Voice Radar 2.0 uses deep learning to isolate your voice from the background noise, ensuring that only your voice is what your clients or colleagues hear. Fit for small and extra large rooms. Even if you've got a massive table that seats 45 people, you can link up to 5 AnkerWork SR500s together to ensure that every person can contribute without speaking up. Pick up voices 16 feet away. Even with one SR500, a person sitting at the back of the room can be heard 16 feet or 5 meters away thanks to this all-in-one conference speaker and microphone. Anti-theft mechanism. Sturdy cable designs and locking mechanisms keep your SR500 safe and tethered to your desk. Compatible with your conference software. Sync up with your preferred software including Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and more. Updates easily via AnkerWork software. Make updates simple and fast via AnkerWork software so you'll always have crystal clear quality meetings. And so here is our AnkerWork speaker. This can be daisy chained as mentioned, so several devices can provide an extended table of people. Workers and colleagues can all be heard because daisy chaining is as easy as connecting devices using these in-ports and out-ports right here. I have the power connected, and then I have a USB cable, which is connecting everything to my laptop. You can see that right there. And then all you have to do is, if you have a Mac, for example, use FaceTime. You can see it's still open. Hey, everybody. And it is that simple. Setup is easy. Your firmware updates automatically, and it adds a lot of value because, hey, you want to be heard, right? Everyone wants to be heard. So there you have it. Everything is plugged in, and now we are updating some software. The account has been created. Very easy to set up. We're just going to let it do its thing, and when it's ready, we're going to try out a phone call. Hey everyone, alright, so we have everything set up and good to go. Our AnkerWork speaker is connected to my laptop right here, and we are going to call a colleague and test everything out.
Hello.
Did you hear that? Why, hello there. How's it going?
It's going great. How you doing?
Not too bad. How do I sound?
You sound very clear and everything sounds good.
Awesome. And you know what? Likewise on my end, I can hear you loud and clear. And right here you can see there is custom sound control. You can raise and lower, and it does the same on the laptop. You can mute the conversation. I ate the last slice of pizza. Everything going good?
Everything's going great.
All right. Well, there you have it. This is going to be so much better than putting your cell phone on speakerphone. Everyone hates that so much, and for good reason. Well, thank you so much for the call. Have a great rest of the day.
You too.
All right. Well, there you have it. So I'm going to have this set up in my office going forward because it is just going to be so very useful. The signal is clear. I can hear the other person. They can hear me. It just works really, really well. And as you can find out when you click on that link in the description below, you can daisy chain a bunch of them together if you have a large business. So it's scalable. It works if you're just doing stuff solo like me or with a colleague or two, or if you have several dozen people, you can find your business conference speaker solution. Once again, click on that link in the description below to find out more. Well, I think that just about wraps it up for this episode of Good Tech Cheap. We'd like to thank Anker for sponsoring the video, sending us the conference speaker, and allowing us to unbox it and do a demo so you can see how awesome it is. Once again, if you like these videos, please give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. For now, I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. From Los Angeles, California, stay safe, be kind. I'll see you next time. Bye.